Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to set up a proxy using Nike Shoe Bot. Open the Nike Shoe Bot application. Once the application is launched, navigate to the Proxies tab. Here you can set up the proxies that you'll use in the future. Click Add Proxy List in the top left corner. This will open a window where you can set up a new proxy. Enter the name of the proxy at the top and set up the proxy in a field below, whether it's a single proxy or a list of proxies. Enter the proxy information in the following format: IP address, proxy port for free proxies, or IP address, port, username, and password separated by colons for dedicated proxies. Once you've entered all your proxies, click Submit. You'll see that your proxy is now set up and appears in the workspace. Next, go to the Tasks tab. While you are creating a task, you can choose one of the given lists of proxies or choose nothing, depending on the tasks. The proxy you set up will be used during the execution of the tasks you specified. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.